All right, I've got some glow-in-the-dark PLA sitting on this scale inside a filament box. It's weighing at 1234.4 grams. And we're going to test out the Sunlu S1 and see how it works, and then we're going to compare it to the S2 and how it worked. So, alright, I've got it in the S1. I've got it set on 12 hours. And I've got it set on got it set on 44 degrees Celsius. After you get it started, it doesn't seem to want to display what the set temperature is. But we've got it set for 12 hours. And we'll come back 12 hours and see how well this works. Alright, this is the roll of filament that we had in the Sunlu S1. And it was in there for right at 10 hours. So it's the S2 beat the S1 by quite a bit. And I'm going to make a few mods on the S1 and see if we can't get that up just a little bit, get the performance of it up just a little bit. I'm not going to say what they are right now, but we'll see what we can do.